Hi, Dave here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 2020 70 plate MG HS. It's the plug-in hybrid. And what I'll be doing in this video is just showing you the features the vehicle comes with, or some of the features, because there's so many to list it'll be a 20-minute video if I do that. I'll also show you the condition the vehicle's in. So as far as condition goes though, I haven't seen anything wrong with this at all so far, but I'll point anything out if we see it. So first thing we'll do is start with the alloy design. As you'll see as well, it is on Michelin tyres. Does help with the grip. So it is a 250 plus horsepower vehicle. It does feel it as well. So down the side of the vehicle as well, you'll see there's no dents, no scratches, nothing like that. The entire vehicle's got this moulding all the way around the bottom as well to prevent stone chips. Coming onto wing mirror, you've got a little camera on the side, as it does have 360 camera. You've also got keyless entry. You can also lock the vehicle with that, as you can see there. So I'll leave it unlocked for now though, just press it again. Moving around the front, got quite a nice light design there. So you don't get parking sensors around the front. Personally, I don't think you need them at all, especially with the 360 camera. It absolutely makes them redundant. So I'll show you how that works inside the vehicle. As we go, again, no curbing on any alloys so far. Show you the camera on the wing mirror again. You've also got the keyless entry on the passenger side too. And again, no problems with the alloys, so it does lock itself after about 30 seconds or so. And when you get onto the rear, you do get 4 parking sensors along the back, and you've got a reverse camera there. What we'll do is just pop the boot open. Just while we do though, you have the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle logo. You've also got a button for the electronic tailgate. So if we press that, you'll see it's also got a rubber boot mounting as well. So really handy for stopping any wear and tear in the boot. Underneath there though, you do have a nice clean carpet. Doesn't look like it's ever had anything on it because of the boot mat. Underneath the boot floor then, you do get a tyre inflation kit there. Got a warning triangle, towing eye, got a battery there, and then you've got your 3-pin charger. And if you're wondering where you connect up the charger, that's just over on the passenger side of the vehicle on that door. I'll just close that as we go past. And then fuel goes in on this door. So carrying on anyway into the rear, so you'll notice in the back as well, it's really nice material on the seats. There's a really fancy armrest as well. So if you have a look, got a nice bit of storage in the back of it there, and some cup holders in the front. Really nice design. There's also quite a bit of a sort of recline on the backrest, as you can see there, so it's really comfortable. You've then got 2 USB sockets in the back, you've got climate vents, you've got these sort of aeroplane style sort of storage areas in the back of the chair with little bungees in. So moving on into the driver's side now. So as you'd expect, you've got electric wing mirrors all around and electric folding mirrors. You've also got electric seats on the driver's and passenger side. With it being keyless entry, you've also got keyless ignition on the stop start there. So just check that out now. There we go, straight into life. So the engine's kicked in straight away. Reason being is we do need to pop it on charge, but I'll show you where to see if it needs charge or not. And we do have a facility to charge it, so it will be done. And we also fuel them up before any handover too. So there we go, just on here, your battery percentage will be just shown down there. So as you can see, ours is empty at the moment. And again, so is the fuel over there, but we do make sure it's fueled up and charged up before any handover, so don't worry about that whatsoever. And just before we move on, the mileage there, 11,859. So on to some of the features around the wheel then. So you've got all your sort of menu controls. You saw it asked me to press OK on this side before to get rid of the little message. You've then got a customizable button here and your voice control button there. Over on this side, sort of all your radio controls with a dedicated phone button as well. Behind there, you've got automatic lights, you've got adaptive cruise control. Over on the right hand side, you've then got just your wiper functions, so there is an intermittent sort of wheel in the middle there. Then over to the centre screen, so I've already got the aircon settings up because I just turned it down slightly, it was a little bit loud, but you've also got heated seats on there as well. And it is automatic as well. What we'll do for now though is just flick this little switch here and go back onto the home screen. So you do get navigation. It takes a second to load up, but it's a really good system. So I'll just give it 1 second to do so. But while it's doing that, I'll just show you the gearbox. So it is dual clutch transmission. As you can see as well, you've got reverse, neutral, park and drive. Park being the button on top. And there is a little unlock button there. Then you've got pure EV mode, hazard lights, 360 camera, and then your button to open the boot. Now the sat nav's working. You can see it's a really big screen for it as well. It does help out quite a lot. And there's our location, Light London Industrial Estate on Northgate. So go back onto that home screen. So we go onto the radio, it shows you multiple ways to connect it up. So in a moment we'll just go back onto DAB. If you do want to connect your devices up, you've got a couple of little slots down here to do so. The one with the phone there is for your phone connectivity, so that's your Apple CarPlay. And then if we just jump back onto home, I'll just show you the 360 camera and reverse camera. So it's quite a nice system there, works pretty well. So this is why I was saying the front parking sensors are near enough redundant, because on that screen there you can see exactly how far every single bit of it is. And then we'll just go off that again. And then the last thing to cover before we end this video is just the roof. So as you can see, it is a full length panoramic sunroof. Controls for that, you've got the blind just there. So we'll send that all the way back. So it's quite a quick sunroof as well, you don't spend long waiting for it. And then as soon as we hear that one stop, we'll just press this one. And there you go. And you do get a little wind deflector there as well. So you do get plenty in this vehicle. And we'll just close that up just before it rains. But if there is something I haven't covered in this video, or there is a little bit of info you'd like, don't hesitate to get in contact. Maybe request a personalised video, and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks, take care, bye.